Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore. When winter's chill sets in, keep your hands cozy with the Zippo HeatBank 3 rechargeable hand warmer. Whether you're exploring snowy trails or braving your daily commute, this slim and sleek gadget fits perfectly in your pocket, delivering warmth on both sides with high and low heat settings. Powered by a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides up to 3 hours of toasty comfort. But that's not all. The HeatBank 3 doubles as a handy power bank, so you can charge your other USB devices on the go. Available in a range of stylish colors like black, silver, green, orange, and blue, the Zippo HeatBank 3 is the ideal choice for keeping your hands warm during those cold winter days. Embrace warmth and comfort with this reliable companion. Searching for a grill that's compact, portable, and ready for any adventure? Your quest ends with the Weber Traveler Grill. It's the perfect companion for tailgates, camping trips, backyard barbecues, or anywhere your culinary passions take you. Its foldable design and convenient carrying handle make it incredibly easy to transport and set up wherever you crave a delicious grilled meal. Despite its compact size, the Weber Traveler Grill boasts a generous cooking surface and powerful burners, ensuring you can cook up a feast for your friends and family in no time. Don't settle for mediocre meals when you're on the go. Let the Weber Traveler Grill be your culinary sidekick and elevate your grilling game. Priced at $329, the Weber Traveler Grill is an investment in unforgettable outdoor cooking experiences. Hit the road, fire up the grill, and savor the delicious possibilities. A good night's rest is crucial for any outdoor adventure, and the Elegear self-inflating sleeping pad is here to ensure you get just that. Packed with high-tech 26D density memory foam, providing exceptional support and softness that surpasses other camping pads. This ultra-thick camping pad inflates to a generous 77 by 27 by 3.1 inches, offering unparalleled comfort and support for even the most restless sleepers. Plus, its durable construction can handle up to 800 pounds without any worries of air leakage or damage. The surface is made from outdoor-grade 50D stretch knit fabric, breathable, sweat-absorbing, and tear-proof. You'll stay comfortable and dry all night long, no matter the weather. With an impressive R-value of 9.5, this pad provides exceptional insulation, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. Weighing in at only 3.7 kilograms and coming with a handy shoulder storage bag, the Elegear is perfect for any adventure. Take it on family camping trips, road trips, or even use it for unexpected guests at home. No matter where your journey takes you, the Elegear self-inflating sleeping pad ensures you'll enjoy a restful night's sleep. Say goodbye to uncomfortable nights on the ground and hello to luxurious comfort wherever you go. Introducing the HOTO Flashlight Duo, your versatile camping companion. The HOTO Flashlight Duo is more than just a flashlight. It's a versatile lighting solution designed to enhance your camping experience. With mood light and work light modes, it adapts to various needs, providing the perfect ambiance or task lighting. Its unique placement options, including a hook, magnetic base, and strap, allow you to position it hands-free wherever you need it. The additional side light serves as a secondary light source, offering a total of 13 different lighting options accessible through a simple interface. At just $80, the HOTO Flashlight Duo offers exceptional value. Its matte white cover ensures brightness while maintaining a clean aesthetic. And its durable construction guarantees both a comfortable grip and efficient heat dissipation. With the HOTO Flashlight Duo, you'll have all the illumination you need for your camping adventures, no matter the situation. A rugged, reliable fixed-blade knife is essential for outdoor adventures and survival situations. Enter the Brarvagur fixed blade knife, crafted with military-grade features and designed for excellence. Made with stainless steel honed through quenching, forging, and stone-washing processes, this bushcraft knife is rust-free, razor-sharp, and incredibly durable. The ergonomically designed ABS handle offers a secure grip for hunting, camping, and fire-starting activity. The included Kydex sheath provides an adjustable, secure belt attachment for swift blade access and excellent protection. Built to tackle heavy-duty tasks, this survival knife features a full Tang design, 5mm thickness, and a 10-inch length with a 5-inch blade, making it ideal for slicing food, cutting wood, and more. Experience the unmatched durability and extended life cycle of the Brarvagur fixed blade knife, your reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. In outdoor survival situations, a reliable and efficient fire starter is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. The SOL Survive Outdoors Longer Firelight Fuel-Free Rechargeable Lighter is the perfect solution. This fuel-free fire starter easily ignites any fire pit, camping grill, or other material with a simple push of a button. Featuring a dual arc plasma lighter, it also includes a built-in 100-lumen LED light with high, low, and strobe settings for versatile lighting options. The 3-foot tinder cord can be used as a lanyard, rope, or fire tender by exposing its flammable waxed cotton core. The electric lighter recharges its lithium battery via USB in just 2 hours, providing up to 45 uses per charge. Designed to start fires regardless of wind, rain, temperature, or altitude, the SOL Firelight comes with a waterproof case for added durability. This indispensable tool ensures reliable fire-starting capabilities in any outdoor condition, making it a must-have for survival and camping adventures. Never worry about a dull knife again with the EBC Field Survival Knife Sharpener. This portable tool, featuring a built-in lanyard hole, is perfect for hunting, camping, outdoor survival, and even kitchen tap. With 6 functions packed into its small, portable form factor, this sharpener is a fantastic mechanical achievement. It efficiently sharpens both straight-edge and serrated knife blades, quickly addressing severely dull or broken blades. The durable abrasives, made of carbide and ceramic, have passed the 10,000 field use test, making them ideal for hikers, campers, hunters, and fishermen. The SHARPAL consistently provides you with the sharp edge you need, and at only $9, it's an affordable and essential tool any outdoor enthusiast. The SOG Tactical Tomahawk is more than just a tool. It's a survival essential. This versatile piece of equipment can handle everything from chopping wood to breaking through barriers, and it's even a formidable self-defense weapon. Crafted with durable materials and a razor-sharp blade, the Tomahawk delivers exceptional performance in any situation. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring the great outdoors, the SOG Tactical Tomahawk is an indispensable tool you won't want to be without. Priced at just $51, this indestructible gear offers exceptional value. Invest in the SOG Tactical Tomahawk today and experience its reliability and versatility for yourself. Forget the Swiss Army knife, the ROCKTOL Multitool is its cooler, more versatile cousin. This compact powerhouse isn't just a tool. It's a 2-in-1 multitasking maestro. Need to tighten a screw? No problem. Stranded in the dark? Fear not. The ROCKTOL comes equipped with a flashlight to light your way. It's the MacGyver of multi-tools, ready to tackle any camping conundrum. With its array of gadgets that would make James Bond's devices blush, from opening a cold one to fixing your gear on the fly, this multi-tool is the Batman utility belt of the wilderness. It's not just a tool. It's a camping companion, a problem solver, and a gadget geek's dream come true. With the ROCKTOL Multitool by your side, you're not just surviving in the great outdoors, you're conquering it one tool at a time. Are you in search of a high-quality handsaw that can tackle a variety of outdoor activities? Look no further. This robust handsaw is the perfect tool for your backyard garden, camping trips, or pruning needs. Its substantial size ensures effortless cutting through wood, bone, and plastic. The blade is designed to cut in both pushing and pulling directions, thanks to its aggressive, staggered teeth that are not only long-lasting but also produce smooth and precise sawing. Take this saw on your excursions to quickly construct a shelter, clear a passage, or prepare food. It's also excellent for pruning trees and bushes in your garden. Best of all, this versatile handsaw is only $17. Don't miss out on this affordable and essential tool for your outdoor adventures. Meet the Talking EDC Multitool, the ultimate solution for those seeking a tool that can genuinely handle any situation. This all-in-one powerhouse seamlessly combines everyday functionality with emergency capabilities, all within its robust aluminum and titanium frame. Whether faced with a car crash, a need to ignite a fire, or a loose spike bolt, the Talking EDC Multitool is a force to be reckoned with. In emergency situations, the belt cutter and window breaker swiftly free you, while the built-in alarm calls for help. Need a fire in an instant? Talking EDC Multitool features a built-in fire starter, ready to spark flames at your command. With screwdrivers at your disposal, fixing that loose spike bolt becomes a breeze, ensuring you can stay on the move without missing a beat. Precise measurements are covered with its measuring capabilities, and it doesn't stop there. The Talking EDC Multitool also includes a rope cutter, an array of wrenches, a trusty compass, and a powerful flashlight. In essence, the Talking EDC Multitool is an entire toolbox and EDC combo, compact enough to hang on your keychain. With this multi-tool, you're prepared for any situation life throws your way. It's a true testament to versatility and innovation.